Alright guys, today we're looking at a net, which is a plane figure which can be when folded gives us a solid figure. How many faces does this cube have? We've already talked about it. It has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I give dimensions 7, 7, 7 because it's cubes, they're squares, they all have the same sides. Right here, if you'll notice, take a closer look. I've unfolded it here. And we know that's a square. We know the area of a square is A equals S squared. So area equals 7 squared, which is 49 inches squared. But we have how many faces? 5 and 6 faces. So that's 49 times 6, which is 294 inches squared. So our surface area is 294. So the area of 1 and multiply it by all 6. Alright, next is how many unfold rectangular prism. I gave dimensions here, 7 by 10 by 7, because it's a square on both sides. We look at our pieces here. We have 4 rectangles and 2 squares. And we just did the area of a square over here was 49 inches squared, because we just did that S squared, 49 inches squared. So we have 2 squares, so we do 49 times 2 is 98 inches squared. Alright, and then we got rectangles. We know length times width. It's 10 by 7. So 7 times 10 is 70. And then we got how many rectangles? 1, 2, 3, 4. 70 times 4 is 280. And then we add them together. 280 plus 98 is 378 inches squared. So our surface area is 378 inches squared. Now we're looking at a square pyramid. So right here I went ahead and did this without unfolding it. We got a square on the bottom, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4 triangular faces. So let's find the area of our square. S squared, which is 6 squared, is 36 inches squared. An area for a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So 1/2, 6, which is the base, times 8, which is the height. 48 divided by 2 is 24. But we have more than just one of those. Oh, excuse me. We have more than just one of those. So we do 4 of them. 24 times 4 is 96. Alright. And 96 plus 36, which is area of this, is 132. So our surface area for this pyramid is 132 inches squared. Okay. Moving on. And there it is again, unfolded. You can see we have 4 triangles, and we have 1 square as a base. Let's look at this triangular prism. There we have 2 triangles, which are dimensions are 6 by 3, 6 by 3, and a rectangle, which is 6 by 5. So what we're going to do here, find the area of the triangle, 1/2 base times height, which is 1/2 6 times 3, 18 divided by 2 is 9, but we multiply by 2 because we have 2 triangles, which is 18 inches squared. Then our rectangle, we got 3 of those, so length times width, 5 times 6, 30 times 3 rectangles is 90. 90 plus 18 is 108 inches squared. Okay.